Hey, happy Friday out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. So that means it's another episode of Tech Tip Friday. Today I wanted to pass on a tip I use on my personal devices. If you're running Windows 10 or Windows 11 and tired of the start menu, there is a program out there called OpenShell. It starts up, it's a little script that runs as the PC starts up and restores that two-column start menu. You've got three different choices in the settings, and pretty much downloads, runs when the PC starts up and doesn't really interfere with anything. It's called OpenShell, and you can download it from various places on the internet. Give it a try. Now, since it is the day before Valentine's Day, and if you've got somebody on the list that is wanting a Linux ThinkPad, come by and see us. This is the Model 13, a dual-core or 6th-gen i5, 8 gigs of RAM, 120 gig SSD. Battery holds a charge. It's 150 plus tax loaded up with Mint. We've got a T440p, always a popular model at 150, or even a Yoga with touch for $100. So come on by and see us. We're Jets PC, 7543 Grissom Road Suite 121, and fall and winter hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 6. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to subscribe and drop a comment over on our YouTube channel. Y'all have a good day.